guys, welcome back to Creativity Queen. In my previous video, I've already told you that today we'll be making this cute kitten ear headband, which I'm wearing right now. It's really easy to make and you can make this in any color you wish. I've made one red and one green. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to maximum. This headband is really long lasting. I know it because I tested it by accidentally throwing it on the floor. Like this. See, nothing happened. So let's start with the video. Hope you all enjoy.